Hey, and what's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Q&A option on your profile. So basically go to your TikTok app first, and then you are on TikTok right now, and now go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now click on profile. Now go to that three horizontal line you can see on the top right corner. Now click on it. Now scroll down. Now go to creator tools, and now you can see there's option called Q&A. So now just click on that Q&A option. Now it will go to another page. Now what you need to do, you need to click on that three dot button you can see on the top right corner. Now just tap on it, and you can see there is an option called show on profile. Now you need to turn it on. Now just click on it, and it will be turned on and will be shown to your profile. Now you can go back and check it if it's shown in profile or not. So let me show you. Now let's go back, and now you can see that the Q&A option is shown to your profile. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.